Hi there! In this quick video, I'll show you how you can create QR codes directly inside your PulseGrowth account. Log into your account, head over to Sites and click on the QR Codes tab and hit Create QR Code. You'll see different types of QR codes to choose from. In Website QR, you can paste any URL, your homepage, calendar link, promo page, and when someone scans the code, they'll be directed to that link. In Review Link QR, you can redirect users to leave a review on platforms like Google or Facebook. You can even customize the header text, footer, and brand colors. In Call QR, you can enter a phone number so the person scanning can call you instantly. In SMS QR, you can pre-write a message, for example, asking event attendees to rate their experience from 1 to 10. Once scanned, it opens their messaging app with your text ready to send. In Email QR, it works the same way, but it opens an email instead of a text. In Payment QR, you can paste a payment link. When scanned, the user is redirected to that link to complete a payment. Perfect for quick checkouts. In WhatsApp QR, you can set up a message that opens directly in WhatsApp when scanned, ideal for quick communication or support. In Funnel QR, you can select a specific funnel and page so that anyone scanning it is sent exactly where you want them to go. And in Form QR, you can link to a form, helpful if you want people to fill something out on the spot, like event registrations or lead capture. Once you've selected your QR code type, click Next. Now it's time to customize the design to match your brand. You can choose from different QR code styles, update the color scheme to fit your branding, and even add your own logo right inside the QR code for a more professional touch. If you want to go a step further, you can upload a background image, perfect for flyers, product packaging, or in-store displays. This is where you make the QR code not just functional, but visually appealing and on-brand. QR codes are a fast and easy way to connect the offline world to your digital tools. With just one scan, your customers can be taken straight to a website, a booking calendar, a payment page, a review form, a lead capture form, or even start a WhatsApp chat with you. It's a great way to bridge the gap between offline and online and turn interest into action in seconds. And that's it. Now you know how to create QR codes inside your PulseGrowth account and how to use each type in your business. For more tutorials, visit our support portal or reach out to us anytime at connecttopulsegrowth.io.